Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mamie and Papyrus. Have you ever stuck a piece of cardstock and thought to yourself, oh, that's not quite straight, or that's not quite where I wanted it? In this week's tip, I'll show you how to unstick it. Let's get started. So it happens to the best of us. We have a piece of cardstock, we snailed it in place, and we're not happy with how it turned out. There's a way to fix it without having to destroy your entire project. So I'm taking my heat gun, I'm heating it up a bit, and I'm going to just heat up the piece of cardstock under where I had positioned my snail, and look at that, it's magic, comes off and you would never know it had been there. Now you can just reposition your paper the way you intended in the first place and you're good to go. So that's one. And I thought, well, if I can do this with snail, can it work with dimensionals? Let's try it. So I took a dimensional, and dimensionals are pretty darn strong, you know, as I do. So I thought, okay, let's try something with a dimensional and position it on our paper, but oops, that's not how I want it. Let's see if it works. Heat gun, I try it again. And here it comes. Gets the dimensional off. Way to go. So you can also use this spatula attachment of take your pick tool to help it along when it's almost done. But I didn't even need to do that. And I thought, okay, well, it works with dimensionals, works with snail. Let's try the glue dots, because these little guys are really strong as well. So try to glue dot, position it on the paper. It's pretty darn strong. Take the heat gun again and heat it underneath, and here it comes. Good as new. So I hope you like this tip. It's helped me a lot. I hope it helps you as well. Have a good week. See you next time.